everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lean. Today I'm taking you back to one of the darkest nights in Indian history. Stay tuned because what you hear today will stay with you forever. Let me start with a simple question. What was the black hole of Kolkata? Any of you can answer? If yes, leave a comment saying I replied before watching. If not, don't worry, let me explain. The black hole of Kolkata. It was a small prison cell inside Fort William, a British fort in Kolkata. But on the night of 20th June 1756, this cell became the scene of a horrifying tragedy. Back in the 1700s, the British East India Company had become very powerful in India. But the Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dowlah, didn't trust them. He believed the British were building up Fort William without his permission, preparing for war, not trade. So Siraj-ud-Dowlah attacked them. He captured Fort William on June 20th, 1756. The British surrendered. But then a tragic happened. After capturing the fort, the Nawab's guard took 146 British prisoners, including soldiers and civilians, and forced them into a small cell. How small? Just 14 feet by 18 feet. That's about the size of your bedroom. Now imagine stuffing 146 people in that room. No fans, no windows, no toilets, no water. And it was the month of June, burning hot. People were screaming, fainting, gasping for air. They were crushed against each other. Some tried drinking their own sweat or urine to survive. By morning, only 23 were alive. The rest had suffocated or were crushed to death. This tragic night later came to be known as the Black Hole of Kolkata. Now here's something important. Most of us, we know about this incident comes from a British survivor named John Holwell, who later wrote about it. According to him, 146 were locked inside and only 23 survived. But many historians today believe the numbers may have been exaggerated. Some say fewer people were imprisoned, maybe around 60, with about 20 survivors. Historians still debate what really happened. Some say the Nawab didn't know his soldiers locked the prisoners in such a small cell. Others say it was a punishment. And some believe the story might have been exaggerated by the British survivor John Holwell, who later wrote about it. But no matter what the truth is, the event became a powerful symbol. For the British, it was a proof of how dangerous Indian rulers were, and they used this story to justify more control over India. 1 year later, in 1757, a British officer named Robert Clive led an army against Siraj-ud-Dowlah in the famous Battle of Plassey. The British won not just with weapons but with betrayal. Siraj-ud-Dowlah's own commander, Mir Jafar, sided with the British. And when that moment, India's fate started to change. The black hole became the excuse the British used to grow their empire. They called themselves protectors, but soon they became rulers. You might ask, why should we remember something so dark? Because history is not just about dates or places. It's about people and how power, fear and misunderstanding can lead to a tragedy. Remembering the black hole of Kolkata teaches us that war always has a human core, that the truth can be twisted to suit power, and that young people like us must ask questions and learn from the past. I hope this story made you think. It made me wonder, how many other stories are hidden in history? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yes, stay tuned for more such powerful stories. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse by Lee. See you next time.